Hey my favorites, welcome. The hair I'll be using to show you how to install a glueless wig without glue is this hair from Yolissa Hair. It's a 250% density wig. It comes in HD lace and it's 22 inches long. Guess what? This is my first time trying out a straight hair and I was so impressed with everything about it. The lace was so thin. The lace was pre-plucked, so you don't need to do anything. Just throw on your wig and you're out the door. Take a look at the part, it's so beautiful. It's a 7x5 closure wig. I must say, wig companies are really making the job easy for us. Of course, it comes with some goodies like the elastic band, your wig cap, and then scrunchies, glue, I think that's tip glue, then an edge brush, and these cute clips. I broke this video down into different parts and steps, so just follow the steps if you want your wig to turn out nice and look like you installed it without any glue. Honey, before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the family. We make amazing videos, how to style your hair and how to style your wigs, so you don't want to miss out on that. Do subscribe. I love you. The first thing I admired about this wig was how the wig cap fit. Hey favorite, so there are some things you need to do to your wig, even if it's a glueless wig, right? You want it to look like you laid it on your head and you want it to look very nice. So if you've been wondering things you can do on your wig, just follow these processes and you'll be fine. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be merging these two foundations. This is mainly my shade, but this is darker. So I'm merging the both of them. I get a shade, darker. So I'm going to be using it on the lace of the wig. So I know some people don't have energy to do a lot, and I bet you some people will stop at this point. Like, it's already so good, just like this. So guys, after applying your foundation on your lace, the next thing to do is to melt your lace. Yeah, as you can see, this side is lifting due to the way it was packaged, but after making use of a melting spray, it melts it into your skin, and like you won't even know where the lace begins. I'm going to be making use of this melting spray. I'll basically just spray this on the front part from here to here and then use my band and secure. It's in this cup. Then you use a brush. This feels cold on the skin. Once you place it on your hair, it feels so cold. I literally can't wait to see the outcome of this hair. It already looks so good. We are going to be using the band. You see where the band comes in? So whenever they send you something like this in a wig, just know that it's to secure the front of your hair. That was a little bit of struggle. Now we wait for some minutes. If you need more information on this, check my description box to get this hair. I think it's time to take this out. I figured it had more space to part, so I decided to make the part look longer. My favorite part about styling a wig is melting the lace because it makes it look so natural and look like a frontal wig that just got laid. So you can actually stop here, like if you're in a hurry to go out the door, but you can also go ahead and stretch it and then hot comb this side to make it a bit flatter and for it to come out seamless and so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to be making use of a hot comb. You need a wax stick when you're going to make use of a hot comb. It's going to help your wig look flatter after making use of a hot comb. This is all I'm doing. Just apply it on the areas you're going to make use of a hot comb. Ooh. Can you see the heat? Of course, your hot comb needs to be hot and you need to take your time to flatten the front. You're really going to love it.
You guys, okay, no, there's a difference. Okay, there's a difference between not hot combing and hot combing because I can see that difference. See the way it's looking so flat. Okay, let's try the front. Ooh, I'm scared.
Ow!
Ow!
Please, you need to be careful, especially at the front of your hair, so you're not going to burn yourself. The next step is baby hairs. This part is completely optional if you don't like baby hairs, but if you want to elevate your look, then yes, please do this. Instead of using edge control, do I use that sometimes? Just make use of mousse. The process is so easy. Just apply mousse on the hair and keep brushing it forward until it forms in the right way. I think one of the best part of this wig is trying to straighten it. I tried this part and look how silky it's looking. It looks so pretty. Let me show you this side. The spice of a straight hair is straightening the hair using a hair stretcher. I feel straight hair has low maintenance. All you have to do is to straighten the hair once in a while or whenever you need to go out. But if you already look straight and you didn't store it in a bag, you can just wear it and leave. I think I like straight hair. I think I like straight hair. I'm so used to wearing curly hair, and this is actually my first this is my first straight hair, and I'm so excited to try this. I'm happy, and not just happy, I am satisfied. Let me know what you think in the comments about this hair. To make your part look crisp and look nice, use a foundation on the part. I see what you guys like in straight hair now. This is so beautiful and classy. It makes me look so put together and it screams beauty. I'm in love! I feel like I look different. I feel like I look different. I mean, I know I look different. Let's move this back so we'll see the length. And that's quite long. Remember, it's in 22 inches.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me.